guys, welcome again. I hope you've watched the previous videos because this is kind of a series, but at least every video is independent on its own. So if you haven't watched, you can watch this and go back and watch the ones which I have already uploaded wearing the same outfit. Anyway, today I'm going to be giving you like a budget, not really a budget. I'm going to be telling you like how much I spend on every item that I bought for my Airbnb. I'm recording this video at my Airbnb, and again I will shoot a video to show you like a tour of my bed sitter and everything that is in it. So basically, when I relocated, I had nothing. I only had my clothes, that is my big bags zenye zilikuwa na nguo, a pink carpet and a Barbie vibed, what do you call this, a Barbie vibed blanket, and my Barbie vibed laptop too. But anyway, so today I'm going to be telling you like how much I spend on every item that I bought for my Airbnb. I was not buying those things for me. I knew I'm coming to open the Airbnb for business, so everything that I bought was for the business, not for me. So I'm also not going to give you like a systematic of what I bought at a specific time. That is, kama ni kitanda nilibuy ya kwanza, no. I'm going to be giving you like all the items zote one by one. I don't know whether you're getting my point. So let's just get into the video. Let's just get straight into the point. So before you relocate, before uingie kwa nyumba, lazima ulipe rent. So me, in my case, I paid the rent, the deposit, the agent fee and agreement fee. I usually pay rent 10,000. Deposit was 10,000 also. I have written all that on my laptop, so don't worry. Deposit 10,000 also. Agent fee was 5,000. Agent fee unalipanga half of the rent. Agent fee was 5,000 and the agreement form was 2,000. So basically that is 27,000. Pap! Ikaenda hivyo. 27,000 on my rent, basically my rent. So I bought that TV. It's a 43-inch TV at 23,000. 900 bob was for transport, and nikatengenezewa Netflix yake na 15,000. So I'm going to be mentioning like the cost and then tufanye the total later. So the next thing was the mattress. Mattress yangu ilikuwa 10,500 na nikatransportiwa na 150 bob, so that was 10,750 for the mattress. The bed niligongwa. Bed nilibuy 15,000, and that is so much high. Anyway, there is need for someone to do like kind of a survey before you buy things, but it's okay, I've already bought them, so at least I learned a lesson with it. Every time I used to buy something, nilikuwa naambiwa umegongwa. Ikafika point ukapata I'm already used to kuambiwa hivyo. So but anyway, so my bed was 15,000 sharp. For the curtains, I had my 2 gray curtains which fits kwa dirisha yote, so I did not add like another pair. So the only thing that I wanted to add, and that was basic for me to add, was the shears. And the shears pamoja na ya kitchen, they cost me 2,250 for the shears. I also bought a sofa bed which was 13,000, and transport was 800 for the sofa bed. I also bought a fridge at 14,000. I was so happy when I bought my fridge at 14,000. Yani niliangukia. It is the fridge was new, haikuwa imetumika. I think someone had opened a Airbnb na akamwa ku dismantle something of that sort, because the fridge was new, but I bought it at 14,000. But nilibuy kwa second hand. Unaona? This second hand, they call it rehena. Is it rehena or shehena? Rehena, I think rehena. In Mombasa they call second hand rehena. So I bought it from rehena at 14,000. but kwa rehena zingine it used to be 20,000 and above. So I was like, oh my god, I'm so happy about my fridge at 14,000, and transport ikakuwa 150. For the microwave, I bought my microwave 7,000. For my mats, I bought 3 small mats at 13,000. I also bought a big carpet which is there, karibu na TV, and I bought it at 2,000. It is big and I love it. And for the tables, that is this working table of mine, the small coffee table, and TV stand. Someone made me those things from scratch. Sisi kwenda kubai kwa shop. He made me from scratch, akanitengenezea from scratch at 12,000. Even though they are not like as perfect as I thought zitakuwa, but ziko too perfect, ziko too poor, as in they are already serving me. And I bought the 3 of them zilini cost 12,000. That is the material and everything. Yet ukienda kubuy TV stand when it's alone bila anything else, it's usually 14,000, the TV stand. So hapo nikasema pia niliangukia. For the utensils, I had some utensils. So kitu niliongeza, it's 4 plates, 4 bowls and glasses and coffee mugs, na zikani cost 1300, just 1300 bob. I bought towels, 4 towels at 1,500, 7 bed sheets, white ones. I'm using white bed sheets at 2,500, and 3 pairs of pillows at 750. I was buying each pair at 250. Yeah, I was buying each pair 250. I also bought 2 pillows at 1,000, and I bought a mirror, the closet mirror and the one for brushing. The mirrors peke yake zilini cost 3,000, and the TV stand, the TV mounting, whatever, hiyo kitu ya kumount TV, I bought it at 1,000, na nikalipa fundi 1,300. Mafundi wa huku, they are very expensive, but I understand. The fundi alishughulikia so much my mirror. My mirror had a lot of issues. Mara that person wanted to con me, I don't know what, oh blah blah blah, imepanda bei. And then you're like, oh, I've already paid for it and you're telling me imepanda bei, niongeze pesa. And then the fundi akanishughulikia all that. He came and mount for me the TV first, and then the mirrors, and I paid him 1,300 for the fundi. I also bought a 2-burner cooker from Jumia at 2,500, and transport pia juu, and transport ya kulit, I mean the delivery fee, and then transport ya kuendea. So all that zikani cost 3,000. I also bought decoration flowers, the ones zenye ziko pale. I'll show you on the video. The decoration flowers 1,100. For the gas regulator together with the pipe zilini cost 1,300. I also had to do like a table repair, coffee table repair. It was big, it was kind of big, but I needed like a small one, so I had to do a repair, but fundi mwingine, sasa hiyo fundi akanilipisha 1,000. I also bought a mop and a mop bucket at 600 bob. Nikabuy shower gel, the 3 liter, what do you call it? The 3 liter bottle shower gel for 800 bob. I also bought this fan 4,000 plus kuwekewa hiyo fan hapo 4,000. I also bought an extension which I'm currently using right now at 500 bob, and other things such as pegs, slippers, soap dish, a duster to clean the surface, 500 bob. So I don't think there is anything else that I left behind, because easy vitu, I sat down and wrote the cost and everything that I have bought from scratch. So easy vitu, all that money, it has totaled to 160,900. And also there are other small costs kama transport ya kwenda tao, going for the curtains, transport sijui kwenda wapi, to confirm what, transport sijui kwenda wapi. So utapata basically, if you need to start like a basic Airbnb, that is a studio like this one of mine, it's around 170,000, around there, between 160 and 170. because I bought everything from scratch. Mimi, when I came here, as I've told you, I had nothing, and right now the house is full. So everything and iko hapa imeni cost 160,900 minus the small transportation fees za kwenda hapa na pale, you know. So right now, as we talk, the Airbnb is already working. I have already received 3 guests, 3 guests, no complaints, no anything. So I bet everything is perfect now because I have everything. Nini sina. I don't think there is anything that I do not have. I also called someone mwenye akona BNB Spear here in Bamburi to come and confirm it for me. However, I think the cost of the things that I bought might be different depending with the location that you want to start to begin your life or even start your Airbnb. So the cost might differ, but I don't think it can differ so much, even though things in Mombasa, they are usually extremely expensive for no reason. Like, just because it's in Mombasa, things are expensive. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you've learned something from it. So maybe if you want to begin, like, to start your own BNB or 160,000 to 170,000, I think that will be perfect. So I'm still new into the business. I'm yet to venture and know more about it, but so far so good. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and goodbye. See you in the next videos.